Hello guys! Once again, this is Apong Bolet. Welcome to my channel, Apong Bolet Cooking Show. This time, we will going to cook something crunchy and delicious. Okay guys, keep on watching. Here are the ingredients. We have here cream dory fish, and then breadcrumbs. We have also all-purpose flour, and then we have minced garlic, and also we have ground black pepper. Then we have salt, and then we have MSG. We have 1 egg. Let's start to prepare our fish fillet. We need to add our ground black pepper, salt, and MSG, and also the minced garlic. And then we need to add 1 egg. Just mix it or incorporate the ingredients. And then we add our all-purpose flour to thicken in the sauce. And then after that, we need to coat our cream dory in breadcrumbs like this. Okay, our coated cream dory is done. Let's start to cook, guys. Okay, after that, we need to add our oil at least 250 grams. We need to set our oil in medium heat. If the oil is already hot, we can fry our cream dory like this. Fry it until it becomes golden brown. And then we need to turn in other side, just like this. then do it at the same procedure. Just like this. Okay guys, our fish fillet is almost ready. Okay guys, our fish fillet is done. After this, we will going to eat our fish fillet. Okay guys, keep on watching. It's so delicious and crunchy. I like this guys. Try it guys. Masarap to. Naku. Para pag uwi ng inyong mga mister or Mrs. Man, matitikman nila to. Masarap ito. Magugustuhan nila, sigurado. Pati na yung mga bata. Okay, guys. Salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana magustuhan ninyo ang aking susunod na lulutuin. Sana wag kayong magsawa. God bless. Bye.